what is slice and splice method in array object, how it is working, what is the difference between these two methods, slice as well as splice method. Hello champs, welcome to all of you on my Pyara channel coding from Mumbai. In this video I am talking about most important method of array object, that is slice and splice method, how it is working, what is the difference between these two methods. So without any further let's get start the video. Now let's start with the slice method. So before talking about all information about slice method, my focus is to you why we are using slice method, what is the need of using slice method. Okay, so for that you are able to see I am creating a simple array. That array name is food, which contain a string data type of elements. Now my problem is I just want to fetch out the small sub array from this entire array. For example, I just want to fetch out from salad to college. So this highlighted part only I want to fetch out from this array without affecting the original array. How you are able to do that? So you are simply say I'm comes here and creating a array like ARR, in which I'm simply comes here and copy the element and then paste into our new array. My answer is you are right, but this is not a way, because the element of this array you are able to see. But what happened then, you are not able to see what are the element are present into that array. Okay, so you are not able to copy all the element like this. Understand? So for solving this problem, for fetching or find out or cut out some small piece, some small slice of entire array without affecting the original array, so for that reason we are using the slice method. Now let's see more information about slice method. Okay, the term slice literally means to cut something into pieces. It is used to cut out elements from an array. It does not affect the original array. This is the most important point. Means if I want to cut out the small piece of array without affecting the original one, so slice method is used. So syntax is array name, then calling slice method and passing two argument start and end. What is start and end? So start denotes the index at which the array start slicing. End denotes the index at which array stop slicing. Means from which element I want to start the slicing and from which element I just want to end the slicing. So we have to provide the two index into slice method, from which element to which element I want to cut out the sub array from entire array. What is the return value of slice method? So slice method returns the small piece of array from entire array. But most important thing, we are providing two index, start index and the end index. But this end index is not included into small part. This is the reason why I am writing here. The return value of slice method is an array of values found between start and end, excluding the value at end. Means whatever element I want to cut out from the array, so from start index to end index element are cut out, but element which are present at the end position, end index, that are not included into this small part. Now let's see how it is work. So for that I am taking same example. So I am simply creating array in which I want to store the return value of the slice method. Const ARR is equal to name of our array, then calling the slice method and passing two argument from which index to which index I want to cut out the element. So what is the index value of this salad, which is equal to 2, and what is the index value of college? We know that index value start from 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the index value of college is equal to 5. After that I want to print this return value. Now let's run the code. You are able to see I am getting the array from salad to table only. I am not getting the last element, that is college. My requirement is I just want to cut out this small piece from this entire array, but we are only able to cut out this 3 element. Why college is not included into return value of this slice method? Because I was telling you the end index is not included into the result of slice method. This is the reason the element that are present into the end position, end index, that is college, is not included. If I want to include the college, so we have to provide the index value of party, because if I'm providing the index value of party, that time party is not included. But before this party, before this last element, end index, all the elements are included. Okay, so we have to write here not index of college, we have to provide the index value of party. Now I'm able to get our this small part from this entire array. Now let's run the code. You are able to see in this result college is included because 6 index party is present, that is not included by slice method. So before this party, before this end index, all the elements are included. From start index to end -1 index, all the elements are contained by return value of slice method. Okay, I think you are able to understand what is the working of slice method, how we are able to cut out small piece of data, small piece of array from entire array by just providing the start index from which element I just want to cut out till which element into an array. Okay, so this information about slice method. Let's take the another method, that is splice method. What is the working of splice method? Now understand the splice method. So before talking about splice method, I just want to clear out what is the main target of slice method. This one, slice method. What is the main task is done by slice method? This slice method is cut out a small piece of array from entire array. But now I'm talking about splice method. What is the actual task? What is the main target is provided by splice method? If I want to add or remove element into array at a specific position at the same time, two operations are happen at the same time, remove the element and add the element. If I want to do both the operation at a specific position at the same time, at that time this splice method is too much useful. So main target of splice method to add element or delete element at the same time at given index value or at given position. So by using splice method we are able to did this. Now read the information. Unlike slice method, this splice method will change the content of original array directly. Means this slice method, when cut out a small piece of information, a small piece of array from entire array, so original array does not affected. But what happened with the splice method? This splice method are make the changes into original array directly. And second point which I am already talking about, this method is used to add or remove element of an existing array, and return value will be the remove items from the array. Means this method is used for adding or removing the element, as well as this method returns the removal element. What are the elements are removed by this method that are returned by this array? If nothing was removed from the array that time, then return value will be just an empty array. What is the syntax of splice method? So this splice method contains 3 arguments. First argument is compulsory, that is start index. Second argument is optional, and third argument is optional. In first argument we have to provide the index value at which position we want to add the element or delete the element. Second argument is how many number of element I want to delete into this original array. And third argument is our new elements that I want to add at given index value, that is start. Understand? How many number of element I want to delete, that deletion operation start from this particular start index. If I want to add the element into this array, so addition of element are start from the this given start index. Okay, so let's take example. So I'm creating a simple array const arr like this, which contain a name of student like Virat, and then Rahul, and then Rohit. Okay, this array contain only 3 elements. Now I just want to add one element between Virat and Rahul, that is Gil. Okay, I just want to add a new element, that is Gil, between Virat and Rahul. So how I will do that? By using splice method. We have to write arr.splice, and then So here we have to write first argument, that is start index. At which position I want to start our operation. It may be deletion the element or it may be a addition of elements. I'm writing here 1 because I want to add Gil between Virat and Rahul like this. So start index is Gil. So start index is 1. Now second argument is optional, that is how many number of value I want to delete. So I did not want to delete any element. So I'm simply writing 0. Because I did not want to delete any element from this array. Third argument is what is the new value I want to add at given index value, that is start. So here I am writing the new value, that is Gil. Okay, after that I just want to print this particular array like this. Now let's run the code. Now you are able to see Gil is added between Virat and Rahul. So by using splice method, we are able to add the element at given position. If what happen if I want to delete one element from this array. Now let's see another one. I am starting adding one element here like Gil. Okay. And more element I want to add here like Jadeja. Now I just want to remove this Gil and Jadeja from this array and add two more element. Okay, what happened? What is my target? I want to delete Gil and Jadeja, as well as I want to add Dhoni and Kapil. Okay, I just want to delete these two elements as well as I want to add two new element. So for that I am simply writing here arr dot splice, and then I want to write the start index from which index I want to do the operation of addition the element or deletion the element. So start index is 1 because I want to remove these two element and add two new element into this position. So we have to write the start index, it is 1. How many number of element I want to delete? So I want to delete two elements. So I'm writing here 2. What are the new value I want to add in this array? So new value is like here Dhoni, and second new value is Kapil. Okay, now let's see what is the output. You are able to see in this output Gil and Jadeja are deleted. These two elements are deleted and Dhoni and Kapil is added. Okay, so this is a way of using the splice method. First argument is what? First argument is indicating that from which index you want to start your operation. Operation may be a deletion the element or addition the element. And second argument is indicate how many number of element you want to delete from given this particular start index. And third argument is what are the new value you want to add at given this particular start index. So this is the working of splice method, how splice method works. Understand? Okay, so let's see another example for understanding the concept of splice method more better. Okay, const like arr is equal to, which contain data like numbers like 23, 24, 25, 26. My requirement is I just want to remove this 25 and add 1, 2, 3. What is my requirement? My requirement is delete 25 and add what I want to add. I just want to add 1, 2, 3. These three element into the place of 25. So for that I have to write here name of our array, then calling the splice method. What is the start index? From which index I want to start our operation. So I want to delete the element 25. So index value of 25 is 2. So we have to write in start index, and then how many number of value I want to delete. So only one element I want to delete, that is 25. So I'm writing here only one element I want to delete, that is second argument. What are the new element I want to add? So we have to write all the new element 1, 2, 3. I want to add these 1, 2, 3 element into the index number 2 and delete one element, that is 25. After that I just want to print our original array. Let's see what is the output. You are able to see 25 is deleted in the place of 25, this 3 new element is added into our original array. Okay, so by using this splice method, we are able to add the element or remove the element at given position at the same time. So this information about splice method, I think your concept about these two methods are completed. First one is slice method. Slice method is used for cut out a small piece of information, a small piece of array from entire array. And splice method is used for removing the element or adding the element at given position at the same time. Then that time this splice method are useful. And most important thing, slice method does not affect the original array, and this splice method affect the original array directly. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.